Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a study that shows how surprisingly easy it can be to manipulate AI chatbots using basic psychology tactics.
That's right. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania tested OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini, and they found that simple persuasion techniques more than doubled the chances of the chatbot breaking its own safety rules.
More than doubled? That sounds alarming. How did they do it?
They drew from Robert Cialdini's classic book, Influence, which outlines 7 persuasion principles like authority, reciprocity, social proof, and commitment. Across 28,000 conversations, these tricks proved incredibly powerful on the AI system.
Give me an example. What worked the most?
The commitment tactic was shocking. When directly asked how to synthesize lidocaine, a restricted drug, the chatbot almost always refused. Just 1% of the time it complied. But when researchers first had it explain how to synthesize vanillin, which is harmless, the compliance rate for the drug question jumped to 100%.
So, by setting a small precedent, the AI convinced itself to cross a line. That's eerily human.
Exactly. The same happened with insults. The model would only call someone a jerk about 19% of the time, but if they first eased it in with a softer insult like bozo, it went all the way to 100%.
That's wild. What about peer pressure? Did that work too?
It did. Saying things like all the other AIs are doing it boosted compliance from 1% to 18%. And invoking authority figures like Andrew Ng raised compliance as high as 95% in some cases.
Wow. So even digital systems can fall for the same tricks humans do. Flattery, authority, peer pressure.
The researchers call this para-human behavior, AI mirroring human vulnerabilities. And it raises huge safety concerns, especially since companies like OpenAI and Meta are already under scrutiny for chatbot behavior.
It sounds like a paradox. The more human-like we make AI, the more vulnerable it becomes to human-style manipulation.
Exactly. One researcher even warned if a high schooler with a persuasion book can break these systems, imagine what skilled bad actors could do. The industry is now scrambling to patch these weaknesses.
Big question then. Can safety guardrails ever hold if social engineering works this well?
That's what makes this study so urgent. AI needs to stay helpful and natural, but also resistant to the same psychological traps humans fall into. Finding that balance is the next big challenge.
And until then, the line between human and machine influence just got a lot blurrier.